The initial step involves taking a practice test to identify specific areas of weakness in math skills. Analyzing incorrect answers reveals whether the issues lie in algebra, advanced math, problem solving, or geometry. This diagnostic approach helps focus study efforts effectively. Allocate 20 minutes daily for targeted practice on identified weak areas. Mastering shortcuts enhances problem-solving speed and efficiency. Understanding and solving word problems builds analytical and reasoning skills. Memorizing essential formulas provides a foundation for quick and accurate calculations. Consistent, focused practice builds proficiency and confidence. Effective time management is crucial for success on the SAT Math section. Begin by completing all the easy questions within the first 15 minutes. Tackle the more challenging questions next, skipping any that require excessive time. In the final 5 minutes, make educated guesses on the remaining questions. There is no penalty for incorrect answers on the SAT Math section, so always attempt every question.